right, guys, well, this is it. This will be the last upload you see before the giveaway is over for the Powerwagon Ultimate Adventure setup. You get everything that you see here, the truck, everything in the truck, 10 grand, the trailer, and this little beauty that I won't talk about for YouTube, but you get that, and you're also getting entered for the 1,000 horsepower ZR1 automatically, but this is it. You gotta enter right now, and to help you out, to get you motivated, we are giving away 5,000 bucks in cold hard hundreds right here, which means 50 of you are gonna find 100 bucks in your order if you enter tonight, right now, and tomorrow, the night the upload goes live and the first full day. So hit that link down below, get something cool, and guess what? We don't sell a single thing over 100 bucks. I am literally paying you to get something cool and change your life forever. Hit that link down below, 717supply.com. Get something you like and maybe find 100 bucks in your order. Good luck, guys. Last chance to enter. All right, guys, good morning and welcome back to the channel. I hope y'all are having a great day. I got the C8Z shirt on, which means it's going to be some C8Z content. And today we're making the car a little bit, well, not a little bit, a lot louder. Now, when I had my first C8Z, we did a Fabspeed system and it was good, no complaints, loved it. But, you know, my job is to give you guys entertainment in different ways. So I want to do something different this time. We're going with Soul Performance. And funny story about them, they actually had the first C8 Corvette exhaust on the market because of, you guessed it, me. I dropped off my car there like a week after I got it, back when the C8 came out. That was back in what, like 2019, 2020, which feels like, my God, forever ago. Time flies. But yes, they did a great job on the car, and I'm really pumped to see what they have in store for the C8Z, because these cars do sound pretty good stock, pretty good from the factory, but they're going to make it a lot better. We're doing the whole thing, the cats, the rear section, all of it. It's going to be insane. If I know Soul, they do loud really well. You at home, you might be thinking, well, it's the same car with the same engine. How's it going to sound different? But I'll use the Aventador as an example. Think about an Aventador with a Gentani exhaust versus every other exhaust brand. It's not even close. So exhaust design really does make a big difference. Anyway, I'll grab Ben, we'll drop off the car. He's going to film the cool B-roll, and then we'll be ready for the reveal. All right, guys, well, we are here for the reveal, and I am pumped. Like I said, very excited. They said that it sounds a lot different. Now, Ben already heard it because he was here for the footage and got some really good B-roll. Hope you enjoyed it, but I have not heard it yet, even though you'll actually have heard it before me in real time because you saw the B-roll, and I think he put sound clips in there. I haven't heard anything yet, so this is all new to me, and let's check it out. Got the guys in here working on a Porsche Spider. Woo! Check it out, boys. Look how good that looks. Fully coated, fully heat coated, like the system on a Lamborghini, which is really cool that they do that. I haven't seen that, to make a note of that, I haven't seen the heat coating on other systems out there. Much more like a Lamborghini system or McLaren systems, a lot of those have it. And I think Soul might be the only one doing it on the C8Z. And I love the tips where normally with the factory setup, you have those stupid baffles and they look so freaking ugly on the outside tips. It actually looks like you have 2 real ones in the middle and then 2 fake on the outside. Whereas with the Soul, it's all uniform, all looking good, and they all look real. I'm about ready to hear it. You can see the old system here, very heavy. Of course, another advantage is you save a lot of weight with the new system. This is honestly, I would say, I mean, you can see, look at the veins. You know, I'm trying to work here. I'm working hard here. I would say that's at least, oh man, 45, 50 pounds. And I think the new one is like 30. So you save quite a bit of weight too. It's gotta be loud, right? Oh, yeah. It looks loud without being on. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's pretty freaking loud. Oh my God. Woo! Oh shit. Wow. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, it's a little deeper. I love that tone. A little deeper. Wow. That's quite a difference in person. I don't know if it'll come through on camera, but it's way deeper than the other system and the other ones I've heard out there. It's got a deeper tone to it for sure. That pop was that pop was nasty. Wow. I love it. I love it. You guys killed it. I freaking love it. It really does sound very different. It has a deeper, yeah, deeper tone to it. All right, we're gonna squeeze in here without opening up the Lambo door. But yes, big thank you to Soul. Now, Soul is known more for the European stuff. We have a beautiful, look at the color on that 911, beautiful 911 Turbo S. They do a lot of Porsche, McLaren, Lambo, Audi, all that good stuff, but now Corvettes as well, and I can't thank them enough. I love the sound in here, but I want to get it out on the open road and get some proper sound clips. Let's do it. Which means we'll fire it up. That growl is gnarly. Not that the exhaust is going to change now in the mode, but it does affect your throttle a little bit. It's a little more responsive in sport and track. Oh wow. Very deep, very different. I can't wait to hear the clips side by side, and I'm really excited to hear which one you guys like the sound of better. But it really, I didn't think it would be that different. It's very different. I was gonna put it on the trailer and take it right home, but I couldn't help myself. Oh my God. Oh wow. Not that the old setup sounded bad at all, but it's very different. It really is. And I think actually it's so different it'll come through on camera. Like that sounds even more Lambo-ish, like Ferrari-ish. That's crazy. I really like this. Listen to that rev range. Holy cow, I love it. I love it. My God, that is epic. Dude, that is crazy. I've done like 4 laps. I'm going to get arrested, but I freaking love it. I know I've said that now like 7 times, but I love it. It sounds more exotic, more race car. Really, genuinely, I am a huge fan and very surprised. It sounds totally different. Check this bad boy out. Lingenfelter Supercharged has a standard blower on it, not a Pro Charger. Pretty much every C8 you see is Pro Charged. This one has a normal, like a roots blower on it, like CR1, Z06, whatever. Soul exhaust, active aero as well. Look at the active aero, the carbon wing. Brixton wheels in gold, kind of a copper gold. Love that. Very cool car. You sure I can drive it? You want me to drive it?
Yeah, you said go for it.
All right. Let's see. Whoa, what the hell? That's sick. Key's like 5 pounds. We'll take this out real quick here. Damn, all right. All right, a Lingenfelter blower car. Ooh, not only does my car sound amazing and I get to drive that, but I can drive this one as well. Woo! Track mode, the valves will be open. Oh my God. Yeah, that's a difference. That's loud. Got to take this at an angle. Don't want to break anyone's car. I think we're good. Okay. Okay, hit the windshield wiper. My bad. We'll just go around. We'll do the reverse loop. Whoa! It sounds like a Tesla. What? That's crazy. Wow, that whine is sick. That whine is sick. Lingenfelter supercharged. Oh yeah. But how fast is it? Okay, all right. Woo. God, I love the noise. I love that. That's sick. Oh yeah, oh yeah, yep, that'll do. That'll do. With the wing going up in the back, look at that. That is crazy. That is so sick. That's crazy. Put my turn signal on. 10 out of 10 would get arrested in this car. Not bad. Go. Wow. Well, yeah, today was epic in every way. I must have put like 200 miles on the car, all spirited driving, but always abiding by every speed limit and other road law, of course, for sure. But yeah, the car is awesome. I've said it before, and I'll say it again. C8Zs need an exhaust. They gotta be woken up a little bit, and the car sounds incredible. So yeah, obviously sounds great. I love it, but which one? I know you guys want to know, which one do I prefer? And that's tough because, first of all, I don't want to pick a winner between companies that I like, and I like Fabspeed and Soul. And also because really I think it comes down to which one you like. They are different, and it's really hard to pick a winner. So I don't know if I could say definitively which one I like better. I'll tell you what, I will let you guys decide which one do you like better sound-wise and looks-wise. And I can't wait to read the comments. It's going to be, I think it'll be like 50-50, but you never know. Sometimes I think you guys will say one thing and you say the other. I never know what the audience is going to say, so I'm really excited to hear all the opinions out there. And there will be opinions, so please leave a comment below. Which system do you like better overall, or just the sound? If I could hear them side by side, that would be awesome. And I'm trying to find a local Z with a Fabspeed system to rev them side by side, and maybe a stock one too, to rev them all side by side That would be sweet. 650E, I know, has one, but he lives like 8 hours away in Ohio. So that would be a long drive for just a video, but we could do it. We could maybe do it and maybe make some other content. That was a fun day for sure with his car. We could race him actually. His car with the full Fabspeed setup and I just got this idea right now. That might not be bad. My car with the Soul setup and his car with the Fabspeed, that could be a good race. So maybe that will be coming soon. Yeah, hearing them in real life side by side would be ideal, and I'll work on making that happen for you. In the meantime, luckily I have lots of clips to help you decide which one you like the best. If y'all enjoyed, give this upload a big thumbs up, take care, and have a great night. Show them that money, Ben. Oh, show them all them hundreds. Yeah, hundreds with the truck, the big truck, and the rifle, and the trailer. Cash, that cash for you guys. ZR1, give you a quick tour here. Everyone is working hard, by the way, on your orders. Stuff is going out. We had a minor setback last week with the whole ceiling thing, but that's, I mean, the ceiling ain't done yet, but I sent all the roofing crew home so that we could get orders out for you guys. Shooter shirt, that's a cool one. That's a heater right there for sure. K9 Hurricanes Heroes gear, Corvette Generation shirt, very cool. Microfiber towels. Got our Frenchie shirt, the classic right there. I mean, we have so many shirts. We have like 50 or 60 shirts now. Police batons, just the tip. It's a good one. Just the tip with the little round there. 77 Supply logo. Got the, oh yeah, the new Powerwagon one. That's a good one. Got the old school Powerwagon and of course the new one matching our giveaway. It's a sweet shirt for sure. Large right there. Got our engine block shirts. Is that a Hellcat powertrain? That looks like a Hellcat powertrain. That's really cool. I didn't even see that one yet. What the hell? I need that. After the giveaway, I'm gonna take one of those. Got our key tags, got our knives, patches. We have our crossbows. These are pretty sweet and they're selling good. You guys are liking those. They're super fun to play with. Little crossbows, metal signs. I got our topographical map mouse pad. That's really neat. You know, really, we have so much. We have so much cool stuff. Like, there's no way you're not going to find something you like. That's what I love about this company. We have so many neat, unique items that you won't find anywhere else with any other giveaway. And I think we give away some pretty badass stuff. We got air fresheners, little remove before flight air fresheners, pull to eject. Got stickers. Got our office license plates, wallets, all the metal signs, hats. It's a lot. So check it out, 717supply.com. Get something cool and get entered to win the ZR1 and the Powerwagon. And maybe if you enter right now, you find $100 in your order. Good deal.